Hey guys, hello. In this video, I'm going to review the ringtones of iPhone. So, this is my iPhone. This is iPhone 6s. So, I'm unlocking the iPhone. Just a sec. Okay. Go to your settings. Go to the sounds, and here's the volume to increase your ringtone. So this is marimba ringtone. So next is the default one is the opening. The next is apex. The next is beacon. The next is bulletin. The next So the my favorite ringtone is just a sec. In classic there is a marimba. So guys, what is your favorite ringtone in this video? Can you please comment in the comment section, and I will post the video on the ringtone of various phones. So thank you for watching my video, and also like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for getting more videos on your handset.